Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you this trade entry that you can see that is playing out perfectly well. But you remember in our previous video we were able to take a trade run about this other block, okay, and then we saw that it was at this particular level and my students were able to take that trade for themselves and make good profits. All right, so by just identifying simple order blocks you'll be able to take any trade for yourself in the market. Okay, so this was like I think yesterday or day before yesterday, this was given and we were able to say that this was the order block level that price will definitely come back to, and then price came back to it. Okay, and because we knew that price has been on a particular downtrend, so we knew that anything we want to be doing will be on the sell side. Okay, so I remember giving this trade call and then some of my students took this and they made profit with it. And then you can see now that we have an order block that has been printed here. Okay, so by just following simple order block strategy and combining it with chart patterns and simple order factors of confluences, then definitely you are going to be making good money for yourself in the market. Okay, so you just want to stick with one strategy and follow the same principle. All right, so you just want to make sure that you are not greedy and you don't trade out of emotion. Okay, so in today's video I'm just going to show you this particular order block and then show us the chart pattern that was able to help this trade to run in profit. Okay, so as you can see I've placed my stop loss and take profits already. Okay, so the stop loss is just a $2, all right, compared to the profits that we'll be making from this trade, which is around $22. Okay, so you can see that the risk to reward ratio is somehow around 1 to 10. Okay, 1 to 10, so that is a good risk to reward ratio. So after now, maybe after the video I'm going to be modifying the stop loss and then placing it just below this sell position. Okay, just below, so that I know that I've locked in some profits. Okay, so maybe I'll just go ahead and do so now at this particular level, so that I know that I've locked in maybe like let me just say okay, like $4. All right, so I think that is fair enough because I don't expect price to come back, except maybe price just wants to come and test this particular order block because there's an order block level there. So I'm just going to just set my stop loss there and just modify. Okay, so I've done that, so I think it will reflect now. Okay, so you can see that this is where my stop loss is. Okay, and I don't expect price to get back to that level, except maybe when I go to the 1 hour time frame and then I'm able to spot maybe an order block. Okay, so maybe price might want to come back and test this particular order block, but I doubt that. Okay, I doubt that. If I see that, maybe I might just adjust my take profit my stop loss level. Okay, but definitely let me just go ahead now and show us how this trade was able to play out. Okay, by just identifying simple order block. Okay, as always we know that we want to confirm the trend of the market. All right, so you can see what market has been doing for the past few days. Okay, you can see the market has been giving us great opportunities. Okay, after the printing of this last order block here. Okay, you can see this last order block on the daily time frame. After the printing of this last order block we saw the bearish rejection. Okay, so this is like a bearish bullish rejection. Remember in the previous video I talked about a bearish bullish rejection. Okay, so we can say that this is like a bullish bearish rejection, meaning that this candle is bullish but there was a bearish rejection here. Okay, so after the bearish rejection, then the next candle that opened here shows us that this now is a bearish rejection. Okay, meaning that this is a red candle and then there's a rejection to the downside, confirming to us that price is more likely to go down. And then yesterday candle suggests to us that price is either going up or down, and then we just had to spot that order block and take a trade entry for ourselves. Okay, and you can see that price is going well, so definitely price is going to take out this level for sure. Price is going to take out this level for sure. So let me just modify my take profit so that I don't become greedy. Okay, so we just want to make sure that we are always on track. Okay, remember this is like the okay, so I will just modify the take profit there. Okay, So it's still a good risk to reward ratio. Okay, so I've modified the take profit to take out yesterday's low. Okay, remember this low here is like the ultimate low I was targeting, but remember that this was yesterday low, and definitely price will have to come and take out this low. Okay, even before price thinks of reversing or breaking this low here. Okay, so this is how you want to be trading. So if you look at this, you notice that this is a awesome downtrend. Okay, as always, you don't need a fancy indicator or any special robots to tell you that this is a downtrend, because this is already a downtrend, guys. This is a downtrend here. And then when you go to your 4-hour time frame, it is clear on the 4-hour time frame that this is a downtrend, guys. So you don't need anything. Okay, so by just spotting this order block here, then you should be able to take your trade, put a minimal stop loss and your take profits, and then wait for your trade to play out. Okay, so if the trade goes against you, you are losing small. Okay, if it goes in your favor, you win big. Okay, just this is the rule of trading. Okay, so there's no hard and fast rule about these things, just that people are greedy and they don't want to be patient and want to stay with the rules. Okay, so after identifying the order block, the next thing we want to identify is the going to the 1-hour time frame. We might not be able to see it clearly, so but if you go to the 1-hour time frame, there might be some things we might be able to learn from here. Okay, and one of the things is the fact that price was creating like a high here and a higher high here. Okay, maybe let me just try and pull out my tool here. Let me just try and pull out the RSI indicator. Maybe I'll be able to, because I didn't really think of spotting a divergence, but let me just see, maybe a divergence would have played out. Beautiful, guys. So this is another factor of confluence. Okay, so you can see a divergence playing out. Okay, so for those that don't know what a divergence is when price and charts, when price and the indicator here, remember this is the main chart here and then this is the indicator chart. So when the main chart here is moving opposite direction to the indicator chart, okay, so we say that a divergence has occurred, because normally price and chart is supposed to go in the same direction, and by that I mean that if we have a high here, we have a high here. If we have a higher high here, we have a higher high here. But in the case where you have a high here and then you have a high here and then you have a higher high here and then you have a lower high here, then definitely you should know that a divergence has occurred, and then you want to take advantage of that in the market. Okay, so that being said, I didn't even take note of the RSI divergence, but it's still another factor of confluence that we can take note of, guys. So I will just remove that now so that we'll be able to concentrate on how to take this particular entry. Okay, and then if you look at the 1-hour time frame, you will notice the wick that has been forming. Okay, so you can see this wick here telling us the unwillingness of price to keep on going up. Okay, unwillingness of price. You can see this pin bar candlestick here. Okay, so these are the things you want to be looking out for to be able to take like a sniper entry in the market. And here when you look at it, this is like a trend line liquidity forming, and then you can just take amazing entries. I could have taken multiple entries here, but as always, I don't want to be greedy, and I just want to stick with this strategy, guys. So after noticing this, then we want to go to like maybe the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, and then on the 15 minutes time frame we begin to see things better. Okay, so on the 15 minutes time frame, what we will notice is we can begin to see things like after identifying it, we can begin to see things clearly here. So maybe things are not that clear, so let's just go to maybe the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so on the 5 minutes time frame here, we can spot like a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, but not really that head and shoulder pattern, because it's not that clear here. Okay, it's not that clear here. So this is like, if you look at this top here, you can notice something here. Okay, so we just want to be flexible and dynamic in our approach to the market. Okay, so that is like a double top. Okay, a double top. Okay, so with that double top, you will notice that double top tells us that price is about to reverse in the market. Okay, and then you notice this particular order block here. Okay, so this is the particular order block here level that was tapped in, and then price started selling down. So this is what we are able to spot here. Okay, so this is it, guys. So there is nothing that difficult. It's just for you to follow the rules, follow the principles, go over this video, test it out on your demo account, back test it again and again. don't be greedy. Remember, this is a business. You don't want to venture into something that will make you lose your money. Okay, I know a lot of you might be looking for a quick way to get rich and then become greedy, and then may not follow the rules, and then you are not disciplined, and then you end up losing your account. Okay, so this is like a sniper entry here, guys. So this is like a sniper entry. Price tapped into this particular order block, and then you can see the amazing sale, guys. So with all this, definitely you should be winning in markets. Okay, but if you fail not to follow the rules, then definitely you should be losing your money. Okay, but guys, I believe you've gained something great from this video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done so. Turn on your notification bell. Do well to share this video. Okay, and make sure you turn your notification bell so that other traders can get access to this trading video. Okay, as you can see that price has tapped into this order block here on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so if price should break below here, guys, if price should break below here, okay, then definitely we are going to our take profit. Okay, it's as simple as that. There is no magic about trading. Okay, it's just for you to be consistent. I know you might just be a beginner, and then you might be thinking, how do I go about this? Just keep on going to the chart. You gain clarity. Trading is like a language you learn. Okay, once you learn the language, you know what the market is telling you. Okay, so guys, once it breaks below, then definitely price is going down, except price will break and come and test this order block. Okay, remember, order blocks is like the lifeblood of the market. Remember, there's like an order block level here. Okay, this is like the last down candle before the breakout of that trade. So if price should break out, price might want to test before going down again, or price might just break down and go to our take profit, guys. So guys, cheers guys, I'll see you in my next trading video.